girls, this is my cover of all the single ladies. So time to hit that move. All the single lovers, all the single lovers.